Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. Now, before we jump right in, I just want to have a little disclaimer. I am not a tax professional, I am not a financial advisor. I am just a regular guy on YouTube sharing content that can help people master their personal finance and grow their wealth. So now that we have that out of the way, so today's topic is on how to reduce financial stress. Now, right now we're going through very challenging times with high inflation, with supply chain issues, with issues with getting the jab and all other things going on. So it's a very stressful time right now for families, for individuals, in terms of personal finance. It's a very, very critical time right now, and there are lots of people going through stress right now, including myself. So I'm shooting this video from a position of experience, okay? And I'm also going through the same thing like everyone else, trying to run a small business, trying to focus on job, trying to focus on family. So I hope you can find some value in this video, when it comes to finding ways to address financial stress. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to create a budget for yourself. Now, I know the word budget sounds very restrictive, but you need to sit down and figure out what your income is and what your expenses are. Okay, that's the first step, because if you don't know how much you're bringing in and if you don't know where your money is going, then you're gonna have a tough time trying to get yourself in line and also alleviate financial stress. So you want to start with a budget. Now, if you're new to budgeting, if you've never budgeted before, or you've budgeted before but you're struggling with the term budgeting, I do have resources, I do have videos on budgeting. As a matter of fact, I think I will place a link to one of my budgeting videos, so there should be a link up there that you can click on after you watch this video to help you with your first budget. Okay, so make sure you create a budget. And I have a link down below on a finance course that I created. It's a very basic course, but it has a lot of knowledge and a lot of things that you can apply to your personal finance. So after this video is over, make sure you check the link below and check out the course. Okay, number two, you want to find ways to save money. Now, most people today, when you create your budget basically will show you where you're spending too much or where you need to cut back. Now, once you figured out where you need to cut back, you can now find ways to save money. Okay, so that could be a first step. Okay, eliminating certain things that you find on your budget that you can do without. Okay, that way you can save on your expenses. All right, so number two, you want to find ways to save money. Number three, you want to increase your income. All right, there's nothing worse off than cutting back on your expenses and maintaining the same income. It gets very restrictive, so you want to make sure that you find ways to increase your income. There are so many avenues today, online or offline, that you can actually use to generate income. You can start a side gig, you can start driving for Uber or Lyft, or doing DoorDash, or doing Uber Eats, or hire car, whatever you have to do. Even Turo, you can put your car on Turo to create more income for yourself. So you have to find ways to increase your income. Nothing happens unless you increase your income. So the income piece is the piece that's always missing, that most people don't talk about. You have to find ways to increase your income. Okay, number four, you want to lower your debt. So when I talk about debt, I'm talking about consumer debt, like your credit card debt, your personal loans, your student loans. So you want to find ways to reduce those debts. Okay, I'm also in the process of reducing my debt as well. I'm also in the process of increasing my income and doing all these things that I'm talking about in my videos. And then the next thing is, you have to find ways to reward yourself, because life isn't all about working and paying bills and just sacrificing every single day, just grinding every single day. You have to reward yourself. Okay, sometimes you can just go to a dinner by yourself, or you can reward yourself by buying a new outfit. Okay, but you have to budget for that. Rewarding yourself should be part of your budget. Whenever you accomplish a goal, whenever you accomplish a target or an objective, you want to make sure that you reward yourself, because that helps motivate you and get you going to the next level. So always remember to reward yourself, because life is too short for you to just grind every day, to just deprive yourself and not treat yourself. Okay, because we're only here for a short time. I mean, if you look online, if you look around us, so many people have passed on because of the health situation that we've been going through, or other things, other mishaps, to people, whether it's health related or accidents or stuff like that. So find ways to reward yourself. It could just be going for dinner by yourself. You don't necessarily have to go out with someone. You can go by yourself, treat yourself to a nice dinner. Just reward yourself. Maybe sign up to go to a spa. Okay, pamper yourself. So make sure you reward yourself. And then finally, if all else fails, make sure you get help. There are lots of non-profit organizations out there that will help you with debt counseling, with trying to negotiate your payments with your creditors, etc. So you want to make sure that you seek help when things get out of control, because it's very easy to spiral out of control, and unfortunately for some people it becomes too much, and the only other option they might have is to file bankruptcy, which is a different topic on its own. I do have resources on that as well. Okay, I have videos on bankruptcy and things like that. So I hope you found value in this video. So number one, you want to remember that stress is very bad, whether it's financial stress or stress in general. Okay, you really want to minimize stress, because stress is a silent killer. All right, so you want to make sure that you reduce or minimize any form of stress you have in your life. Okay, because life is too short. And as usual, thank you so much for joining me today. If you find value in this video, please make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and remember to subscribe. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, because I have lots of people that are watching my videos, but they're not just pressing that subscribe button. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family, and also hit the notification bell so YouTube would notify you of my latest videos. So thank you again for joining me today, and as usual, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever give up. And I'll catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye.